Hi guys, welcome to circuitry. Today we have HP 820G3 to fix a problem with this one. It comes up, no picture on screen. Alright, so let's go with charger. First, let's be sure of the charger. It's working. Alright, so we have 19.9 on the charger. Alright, so let's plug in. Charger is plugged in. You can see the system is on. The fan is spinning. No picture on screen. So this system was sent down from a repair shop, and the person says I should flash the BIOS. So I should write a new firmware on the BIOS chip. So that's what he thinks is the problem with this system. Okay, so before flashing the BIOS, we have to measure to see if we are having issues with the motherboard aside BIOS firmware. You understand? Let's be on the safe side. So putting my meter on screen. So let's go again. So let's check for short in case we are having issues with um, RAM power supply. Maybe you're having short on any of the coils. So you can go ahead and sort that out before checking the BIOS. Okay. So if we're having short on the processor area, the system won't come up. You understand? So we'll check on this part here. Check on this part. Mind you, my meter is not working properly. You can see the figure here is fixed, but once we have a short, once we move the probes to a shorted area, for example, the ground, you can see that indicate that we have short. You understand? So don't follow the reading on this meter. You understand? So what we are checking for is short. You can see here we don't have short on these coils. All right, so we don't have short on that coil there. All right, as you can see on this coil here, we have a short. So there's a short, you understand, on this axis here. A component around that's connected to this coil is shorted. So it might be this IC, maybe the capacitors, but we don't know yet. So what I'm going to do now, I'll have to apply some candle wax, then come with power supply. That will help me to spot out the burn component. You understand? I'm really sure it might be this IC that is shorted. You understand? So let's check. So let's apply the candle wax right on the IC. Okay, so right on the IC. This is the output of this MOSFET here. This is the output, which is the coil. So we are really sure that it can be this IC. So I'm looking for a good ground to clamp my negative probes to. All right, so that is done. Okay, so right on the inductor, the IC is not getting hot. You can see the candle wax is not melting on the surface. So let's apply on the capacitors here, you see, right next to the inductor. So let's go again. I think something is getting hot. The capacitor close to the inductor is getting hot. That capacitor is getting hot, melting the candle wax. So let's go again. Can you see that? Can you see that this particular capacitor? This particular one is heating up. So without wasting much of your time, so let's crack it out, okay? So if you're coming across my video for the first time, do well to like, subscribe, leave comment, tell us what you think about the repair in the comment section. So as you can see, the capacitor is out. How are we sure that the capacitor is burnt? So what we're going to do, I will have to test it in front of my multimeter. So let's see the value together. Alright, so I was thinking maybe I took out the wrong capacitor, maybe a working one. So you can see that capacitor is faulty. Then what we're going to do now for us to be sure, so what we're going to do, we have to test right on that spot where we took out the capacitor on the inductor. So let's see what happened this time, if we should have short. So as you can see, we no longer have short on that coil anymore. So let's brush out the candle wax. Alright, so let's connect charger. Charger plug in. So we have picture on screen now. As you can see, we have picture. So I'll have to replace the capacitor I took from that spot. So if you find this video helpful, do well to subscribe, encourage the channel, share your thoughts on the comment section. How do you rate this repair? Is it 100? Let us know in the comment section. Alright, so we don't have a SSD here. No SSD. it's fine. So end the recording here. Thanks for watching. Bye.